Hi friends, welcome to another episode of What I Ate Wednesday. Last Wednesday I woke up a little late. Well, I'm not much of an early riser. Anyways, so I skipped breakfast and had brunch instead. Kevin felt like cooking, so he made us a nice and quick veggie fried rice. It had carrots, peas, cabbage and vegan mincemeat. It was a nice and filling meal. A little later during the day I felt like a snack, but outside it was snowing and I really wanted something warm. So I sliced up 2 bananas and warmed them up in a pan while mashing them a little. I had this as a snack in the afternoon with a cup of herbal infusion. This one was Brahmi tea. It is quite nice actually, keeps you alert. If you've never tried it, I do recommend it, although it does have a slight bitter aftertaste. So I only infuse about a teaspoon, or sometimes I mix it with some lemon balm. Then for dinner, we still had enough of the fried rice left, so we decided to have it again with some kimchi on the side. By the way, I gave homemade kimchi a try and the recipe is coming up soon, so stay tuned. So that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed, and you can follow me on my social media and visit my blog at veganlovlie.com for recipes and more. So I'll see you soon. Bye.